3D scanner. What is 3D scanning? 3D laser scanning is a non-contact, non-destructive technology that digitally captures the shape of physical objects using a line of laser light. 3D laser scanners create point clouds of data from the surface of an object. 3D scanning technology. 3D laser scanning efficiently takes the measurements of contoured surfaces and complex geometries, requiring vast amounts of data for accurate description. The basic working principle of a 3D scanner is to collect an entity's data. It can either be an object, an environment such as a room, a person. 3D body scanning. The 3D scanning process. 3D laser scanning process. An object that is to be laser scanned is placed on the bed of the digitizer. Specialized software drives the laser probe above the surface of the object. The laser probe projects a line of laser light onto the surface while two sensor cameras continuously record the changing distance and shape of the laser line in 3 dimensions, x, y, z, as it sweeps along the object. 1. Laser triangulation 3D scanning technology. In this category, the laser scanner projects a laser beam on a surface and measures the deformation of the laser ray. 2. Structured light 3D scanning technology. This technology involves projecting structured patterns of light on an object and acquiring a surface's shape by measuring the light pattern's deformation. 3. Photogrammetric technology. It is also known as a 3D scan from photography. It reconstructs an object from 2D to 3D and has specific computational geometrical algorithms for the task. Photogrammetry is cheap, precise, and used to scan large objects such as buildings and stadiums. 4. Laser pulse 3D scanning technology. This unique process collects geometrical information by evaluating the time a laser beam takes to travel between its emission and reception. 5. Computerized tomography, CT scan. A widely used technique in the medical sector, CT scan is generally used to scan images of the human interiors. CT scans consist of scanning a part and taking a series of 2D images of various sections with X-rays. The 2D images are later superimposed on each other to imitate a 3D model. For detail, please visit my YouTube channel and please subscribe.